Greetings, Cyber Guardians. Welcome back to Strange Learnings. I am Priyanshu Kushwaha, and today we are delving into Python scripts designed to fortify your digital defenses. Brace yourself with some advanced techniques that will empower you within your digital battleground. Our first line of defense is dynamic port scanning using Python. So here we have a very basic code for Python port scanning. We have created a function dynamic port scan by passing a parameter target IP, where we are creating a for loop and a port variable which will be iterating from values of 1 to 1025. Then we are creating a sock variable storing the value of socket connection, where we are getting an address connection for inet, and then we are creating a sock stream, and we are setting a timeout so that we can get a little pause before the result is being stored in the result variable. So here we are creating the sock and we are making a connection execution to the target IP and port, and if result is 0 we are going to print port is open, and if not it will print nothing. So we are passing calling that function right here by passing the IP address that you can change, since this is in the localhost IP, so it's useless to run this. Up next we have a program for web scraping. So knowledge is power, and with Python we can gather various information from the vastness of internet. So here we have two modules. We have requests and BS4. Make sure you install these modules. So we have created a function threat intelligence, and we are passing the URL from where we want to get the data. And in the response, we are going to get all the requests that we are getting from that URL. Okay. So we are creating a variable soup, which we are using beautiful soup to get the response as text from all the HTML data that website has. So it will basically do is, if you pass a link, it will download every data that it has in it. So down after that you can write a exact code that can help you extract the data that you want to use, or the useful data. So our final defense strategy is cryptography for secure connections. Let's create a Python script that encrypts and decrypts messages, ensuring the confidentiality of your digital conversations. So here we have imported a module called cryptography, and with cryptography fornet, we are importing fornet. It is a cryptographic method that we use to create cipher. So let's create the variable secure communication, where we are passing the message, which is this message, and then we are creating a key that will be used to encrypt it. So we are using fornet to generate the key that we have imported here. Then we are creating a cyber suit using the fornet and the key. We are creating a cyber suit that will be used to encrypt the message and also decrypt the message. So to encrypt the message, we are using the variable that we created here using that key, and we are encrypting it by passing message.encode. And then to decrypt the message, we are passing the same key that we have used, and then we are decrypting it by passing the encrypted message. So you can create this into a better function and update it as per your requirements and needs, and you can also use this to attach it within your messages that you are going to use in SSH chat rooms. And there you have it, Cyber Guardians, Python script for digital defense, dynamic scanning, threat intelligence, and secure communications. If you found these techniques valuable, don't forget to arm up with thumbs up, subscribe for more valuable contents, and ring that notification bell to stay vigilant. So these codes were actually very basic. I would like you to read some of more documentations about these. Actually, these are very big topics and can't be covered in one video as well. So if you want to get a elongated version of all these programs, you can tell me in the comments. And till then, happy coding, and may your script be swift and defense impenetrable.